There are seasons in life where everything feels quiet. Too quiet. Moments where the noise stops, the excitement fades, and all that remains is waiting. Waiting for answers. Waiting for change. Waiting for God. And in those seasons, the hardest question often rises in the heart. What if nothing is happening? But today, I want you to hear this clearly, slowly, and deeply. God is not delaying your life. He is developing you. If you are watching this right now, it is not by accident. God knew you would need this reminder today. Because even when it feels like nothing is moving, heaven is very active. God is preparing you for more. There is a reason why preparation always comes before promotion. Before God elevates someone, He strengthens them. Before He blesses publicly, He shapes privately. And before He gives more, He builds deeper. Many people want the blessing, but not the process that makes the blessing sustainable. God is not interested in giving you something that will break you later. So He prepares your heart, your character, your faith, and your mindset first. And yes, preparation often feels uncomfortable. It feels slow. It feels lonely. It feels unfair at times. But hidden seasons are not wasted seasons. Some of the most powerful work God does in our lives happens where no one is watching. Roots grow underground before the tree ever shows fruit. And the deeper the roots, the stronger the tree will stand when the storms come. You may feel hidden right now, unnoticed, overlooked. But hidden does not mean forgotten. It means protected. It means prepared. It means God is doing a work in you that cannot be rushed. If God exposed you too early, the pressure would crush you. If He promoted you too fast, pride could destroy you. So He takes His time, not because He wants to hurt you, but because He wants to keep you. Sometimes we misunderstand God's silence. We think silence means absence. But often, silence means focus. God is focused on shaping you. There are lessons you can only learn in waiting. There is strength that only develops in stillness. And there is trust that only grows when you don't have all the answers. You are learning how to rely on God, not circumstances. You are learning how to walk by faith, not by sight. You are learning how to stand firm even when emotions try to shake you. And that matters more than you realize. Because where God is taking you requires stability. It requires wisdom. It requires humility. It requires endurance. You are not being delayed. You are being fortified. Let me remind you of something important. Pain does not mean punishment. Some of the strongest people you admire today were once in seasons that almost broke them. Pain can either harden your heart or deepen your faith. And when you choose to trust God in pain, He transforms it into purpose. What hurt you didn't end you. What disappointed you didn't cancel you. What delayed you didn't destroy your destiny. God is a master at redemption. He takes broken pieces and creates beauty. He takes setbacks and turns them into setups. He takes closed doors and leads you to better ones. Nothing in your life is wasted when God is involved. You may not understand why things had to happen the way they did. Why certain people left. Why opportunities fell apart. Why prayers seemed unanswered. But one day, clarity will replace confusion. And you will look back and realize God was protecting you from things you couldn't see yet. Sometimes God says, no, because what you asked for would have limited you. Sometimes He says, wait, because what He's preparing is far greater than what you imagine. God doesn't think small. He thinks generationally. He thinks eternally. While you're asking for relief, He's building resilience. While you're asking for success, He's developing character. While you're asking for answers, He's strengthening faith. And faith is what carries you when emotions fail. Let's be honest for a moment. Waiting is hard. It's hard to trust when you don't see progress. It's hard to believe when results are invisible. It's hard to stay hopeful when you feel tired. But this is where many people quit too early. They quit right before the breakthrough. Right before clarity. Right before change. Don't let temporary exhaustion make you abandon a permanent promise. If God brought you this far, He did not bring you here to leave you. Every delay has a reason. Every pause has a purpose. Every season is building something in you. And what God is building right now will support the life He's about to give you. You may feel like you're behind, but God does not work on human timelines. He works with precision. He knows exactly when you'll be ready. He knows exactly when the opportunity will align. He knows exactly when your heart will be strong enough to handle what's coming. You are not late. You are not behind. You are right where God needs you to be. And yes, there are days when faith feels heavy. Days when doubt whispers loudly. Days when you wonder if anything will change. But even on those days, God is still working. Even when you feel weak, He is strong. Even when you feel unsure, His plan is certain. Your feelings may change, but God's promises do not. And this season you're in right now, it is not your ending. It is your preparation. God is preparing your heart, your mind, your spirit, your future. He is preparing connections you haven't met yet, opportunities you haven't seen yet, blessings you haven't imagined yet. And when it happens, you'll understand why it couldn't come sooner. So don't rush the process. Don't compare your journey. Don't measure your progress by someone else's timeline. Your story is unique. Your calling is specific. Your season is intentional. If you feel tired today, rest, but don't quit. If you feel confused, pray, but don't give up. If you feel weak, lean on God. He will hold you. Because God is not finished with you. He is preparing you for more than you asked for, more than you expected, more than you imagined. Now, do something powerful. Write in the comments, God is preparing me for more. Let your faith speak louder than your fear. And if this message strengthened you, subscribe to this channel. We are building a community of people who choose faith over fear, trust over doubt, and hope over discouragement. Your season is changing. Stay ready. Stay faithful. Stay encouraged. God is preparing you for more.